Hello friends, welcome back my QA Job Knowledge YouTube channel. बे भिडिअनि कुइसना जाबाय थांनाय 2019 मायथाइयाव जालांनाय हेल्थ डिपार्टमेन्ट ग्रेड 4 नि मोन 25 जीके कुइसन लानानै फैदों। आसा खालामो नोंथाङा भिडिअखौ स्किप खालामालासिनो जोबजासिम नायलांगोन आरो नोंथाङा आंनि चेनेलाव गोदानब्ला चेनेलखौ साबस्क्राइब खालामनानै ला जाहाथे नोंथाङा आंनि चेनेलनि गेजेरजों माखासे जबनि नलेज बा कुइसननि एन्सार मोननो हानाय बायदि। फैदो बिदिब्ला जागायनोसै। First question number 1. Who was the founder of Maurya dynasty? Correct answer option number B. Chandragupta Maurya. Next question. Which Macedonian king invaded India in 326 BC? Correct answer option number D. Alexander the Great. Next question. Who was the son of Humayun? Correct answer option number A. Akbar. Next question. Which religion leader of Bengal took part in the Bhakti movement? Correct answer option number C. Chaitanya. Next question. Who wrote Ramasari Tamanasa? Correct answer option number B. Tulsi Das. Next question. The Card India movement was launched in which year? Correct answer option number C. 1942. Next question. When was Pakistan created as a separate dominion? Correct answer option number A. August 14, 1947. Next question. In which city did the 1857 revolt start? Correct answer option number C. Meerut. Next question. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Correct answer option number A. Jupiter. Next question. What is the largest river of the world? Correct answer option number C. Nile. Next question. Gobi Desert is situated in which continent? Correct answer option number C. Asia. Next question. Which among the following is the highest plateau in the world? Correct answer option number B. Pamir Plateau. Next question. What is the capital of Japan? Correct answer option number B. Tokyo. Next question. Where are the hanging gardens which are considered as one of the 7 wonders on the world situated? Correct answer option number C. Babylon. Next question. Dibrugarh is situated on the bank of which of the following rivers? Correct answer option number B. Brahmaputra. Next question. Which country is now as land of white elephant? Correct answer option number D. Thailand. Next question. Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea with the correct answer option number A. Red Sea. Next question. Who discovered the South Pole? Correct answer option number D. Amundsen. Next question. Lakshadweep is located in which of the following seas? Correct answer option number A. Arabian Sea. Next question. Which of the following is not a seaport of India? Correct answer option number D. Mysore. Next question. What is the first line of Indian national song? Correct answer option number C. Bonde Mataram. Next question. Which of the following language is not recognized in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer option number D. Farsi. Next question. In which of the following cities is the Golden Temple present? Correct answer option number B. Amritsar. Next question. Namdapha National Park is situated in which state? Correct answer option number B, Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. Who was the first president of India? Correct answer option number B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. सल'गोफोर गोजौनि होबोनाय कुइसननि एन्सारफोरनि गेजेराव माबाफोर गोरोन्थि जादोंब्ला नोंथांमोना कमेन्ट बक्सनि गेजेरजों फोरमायहरब्लानो जाबाय।